Hey gorgeous! I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today's video we're gonna be creating super easy party, festive makeup look. It doesn't necessarily need to be festive look, but definitely a party look. Super easy to create, and then I say it's easy, I mean it. So without any further ado, let's do this. Alright, so what we're gonna do, I already prepped and primed my eyelids. When I say prepped and primed, all I did, I used the concealer and then setting powder. For this look, I'm gonna use my current favorite shadow palette by Bessiere I'm a Woman What's Your Secret Power palette. And I'm gonna go with this shade all over my mobile lid. Gonna use my finger, set closer to the lash line, and then kind of blend it out, and then we can use a brush for that. So all on my finger. Using shimmer because it's party season. Shimmers are welcome, right? Next thing I'm doing, I'm gonna take the eyeliner and go with a nice kind of cat eyeliner look. When we're gonna have foundation, I'm gonna do the inner eye corner. Then we can apply the mascara, the falsies, and the rhinestones. So the accent for us, that's why it's so kind of simple and easy, because we're gonna be applying the rhinestones, but obviously it's totally up to you if you want to skip that part. So for the eyeliner today, I'm using the Mina 900 24-hour eyeliner, and then they say 24-hour, they mean it. Okay, the eyeliner is on. We can leave the eyeshadow the way it is, but I kind of want a little bit of more shimmer, so that's why I'm gonna go with the Ash Cosmetics 3D Glitter in Reflects Blue, which basically is like a... it's not really a glitter, I mean it's a glitter bar. Just look at that. So it's just like a see-through one. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna use a little bit of the waterproof eye primer and apply a bit on my hand. I'm gonna go with my finger on my lid, mostly in the middle, like we would apply, you know, for halo effect. And then I'm gonna just tap on the glitter. Just gonna tap this on. First, let's apply the mascara. So I'm just applying some lashes. This one is by Eyeliner. Really not pro when it comes to applying lashes, you guys, because I barely ever use the falsies. Okay, so the lashes I used are these by Eyeliner and Nikki Filippi, hashtag Midnight Meow. Okay, let's do the foundation, contour, and so on. Eyes are nearly done. We're just gonna need some, you know, rhinestones on, but this is gonna be later. So for the primer, I'm gonna use the Protect SPF primer. Just gonna go generous with this. Next thing, I'm gonna set this all up. Just a tiny bit. Your Skin But Better Setting Spray Plus. Gonna spray it generously. This mess is wild. Let's do foundation. Going with my favorite NYX Skin Sub One Step in Natural. So I just applied the Revolution Concealer and Define Concealer in C1 and C12 for the contour and lashes contours. let's do the lower lash line and we can go on with the rhinestones. So for lower lash line, I'm actually gonna go with this soft pink shade, just like lightly close to the lash line. I don't want this to be like super intense or anything. Let's do the inner eye corner and we can go with the rhinestones. So the makeup look, we could just leave the eyes where it is, but I really want rhinestones, so I'm gonna go with that. And I'm just gonna kind of go messy with that. I'm using the lash glue to apply this. I don't have a special pen like most MAs would have, you know, special tool to pick up the rhinestones, so I'm just using tweezers. So I'm not gonna go in a straight line. As I said, I'm just gonna apply it kind of messy a bit. Just no particular order. Smaller, bigger ones, it doesn't matter. Okay, that should do it. I think we're good. What do you guys think? Okay, a little bit mascara on the lower lash line, lips, and we're done. Alright, so for the lips, because we're going for super festive look, I'm gonna go for red. So I'm gonna start with the Mina 244 automatic lip pencil. Just line my lips. And then I'm gonna use the Mina Long Wear Long Lasting Lipsticks in 244 and 250. 250 on the outer corner, 244 in the middle. And the makeup look is complete. What do you guys think? And so what do you think of this makeup look? Honestly, it's super easy. It's easier than it might look. If you're gonna go and recreate this makeup look, please tag me in your pictures as I would absolutely love that. Honestly guys, you make my day. If you enjoyed watching this video, as always, please don't forget to press the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more, leave a comment below, let me know what you'd like to see next up on my channel. More similar, super easy makeup looks, but that has a big, you know, impact and looks like you spend a lot of time doing it, although it's extremely easy. Let me know what you would like to see next up on my channel and I'll make sure to film those videos. So thank you so much for watching and bye! Have an amazing day, you guys. Have an amazing Christmas if I'm not gonna see you. Have an amazing year. Like, yeah, if I'm not gonna see you, I wish you all the best, you guys. You're amazing. You are capable of amazing things. Don't ever doubt your abilities. You can do it all. I believe in you. Okay, bye!